Hello and welcome. This is Garden Quilt in Art Traditions, and I'm introducing my sister Joanne. I'm a year and a half older than she is, and we have been friends since Mommy brought her home from the hospital. I painted this picture of her in oil painting of younger days. Recently went to Arizona for her birthday and 47th anniversary. We had such a good, fun time. Her husband Roscoe is like a brother and has been for 47 years. The jacaranda tree is blooming out front. We planted a container garden. She took me to the store and we bought all the stuff, came back, and we planted a bunch of stuff. There was a 100-gallon grow bag. We made a do-it-yourself trellis. We planted all kinds of herbs, sugar baby watermelons, cantaloupes, and things that would survive the 100-degree everyday heat in Zone 9B, Arizona. I came back to Connecticut to plant my garden here, and she's sending me pictures of all of the things growing in her containers. Of course, the Myers lemon and orange trees were already there on the property, but the new container garden has not only germinated, it's flourishing. We are so excited. We actually send daily updates. She has garlic. She has just too much stuff. We'll do a detailed inventory later on when things are above ground so that you know that we're not just making it up or buying it from the store. All right. Peace, love, and blessings. Thank you for coming and have a great day. Bye-bye.